Spread your wings. Don't be afraid to try. The world can be hard. You gotta live a little before you die. So open that door.